Hello everyone, today I will be making a video on how to install acoustic foam. You will be needing the following materials: pieces of cardboard, heavy-duty glue, as well as heavy-duty double-sided tape. Reminder, please make sure that the pieces of cardboard are slightly smaller than the actual foam panels. Apply heavy-duty glue to the sides of the cardboard and let it dry for about 30 minutes.
An unspecified length of time later.
After allowing the glue to dry, put some heavy-duty double-sided tape onto the cardboard. You may now stick the acoustic panel onto the wall, or in this case, onto the door. Based on my experience with this manner of installation, the acoustic panel won't fall off unless, of course, you forcefully yank it off the wall. I really hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Have a great day. Bye!